Did anyone else catch what Diddy's lawyer just called his entire prosecution team? So picture this. You're a high-powered attorney defending one of the biggest names in music history who's facing serious charges that could literally put him away forever, and you decide the smart move is to go on your podcast and call the prosecution team a six-pack of white women? I mean, hello? Mark Geragos really just said that out loud on a podcast with lots of listeners while this whole trial is happening. But wait, it gets even messier. The judge, Arun Subramanian, was not having it. He straight up called Geragos to his chambers and told him his comments were outrageous. Like, imagine being a whole celebrity lawyer and getting scolded like you're in detention. The judge literally said this kind of talk would not be tolerated in any court from any lawyer anywhere. Brutal. And what did Geragos do? He basically shrugged it off. When the judge said he'd be listening to the podcast from now on, Geragos was like, as long as you subscribe, I'm all for it. The nerve! Here's the tea. Geragos isn't even officially on Diddy's defense team. He's just working with the jury consultant and apparently running his mouth on his podcast Two Angry Men that he hosts with TMZ founder Harvey Levine. But get this, his daughter Tenny Geragos is on Diddy's legal team. Talk about keeping it in the family. Now let's talk about what's actually happening in court. The jury selection is taking forever. The judge wanted to have the full jury by Wednesday, but now it looks like it's going to drag on till the end of the week. They've narrowed it down to just 45 potential jurors after days of questioning. And these jurors? They're getting asked everything. Like if they, their family members, or friends have ever been victims of sexual assault, harassment, or domestic violence. Talk about intense. But here's what's wild. Every single one of these jurors has probably seen that video. You know the one I'm talking about. The hotel surveillance footage showing Diddy beating and dragging his ex Cassie down a hallway from back in 2016. The same video Geragos called character assassination on his podcast, even though Diddy himself apologized for it. The prosecution team? Yes, those 6 women Geragos referred to, they're saying this video is crucial evidence against Diddy. And the judge agrees, because he rejected the defense's request to keep it out of the trial. Meanwhile, Diddy is sitting there watching all this go down, facing charges of sex trafficking, racketeering, and transportation to engage in prostitution. If convicted, we're talking life in prison, people. No wonder he was telling the judge he's nervous during the first day of jury selection. So far, they've approved 6 women and 5 men as potential jurors, ranging from mid-20s to early 70s. One works as a graphic designer, and another works in, get this, the Counterterrorism Office at the United Nations. Can you imagine going from fighting terrorism to deciding if Diddy's guilty? The drama is just getting started, and I am living for all the messiness that's about to unfold in this trial. Will Geragos keep running his mouth? Will the six-pack comment affect the jury? And most importantly, what will Diddy wear to court tomorrow? Drop your wildest theories in the comments, smash that like button if this tea was hot, and subscribe to Hot Tea so you never miss a single drop.